Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of May the 17th to the 23rd. We have a cheap Tide week, and if you can line it up, some free OGX shampoo and that peptide growth shampoo. Oh my gosh, I've been using it for the last week. Do love, it is amazing. First piece of business we're going to address, I think we got like, I don't know, 6 boosters. A 10 back when you buy 3 Pampers, a 5 back when you buy 3 dental care products, just the regular meat and potatoes. As you can see, the top left-hand corner, those are not valid until the 17th, just to remind you of that. A 12 back when you spend 60. We are getting a little bit warmer for a really great booster, and the great thing about these boosters is that they stack. Well, at least this one with some other ones. So do love that. And then we also have a 15 back when you spend 45 on Olay face cream. There's been a lot of IBOTTA rebates with that. So we're going to line something up that's going to be near genius on probably Monday. You guys are laughing. I'm just joking around. And we also have a 10 back when you spend 40 on P&G paper goods. We will have a deal for that. Please remember, guys, this video is a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 17th. And they typically all populate in the app around 5 a.m. Eastern time. And then also remember, if you're shopping on the 17th, the last couple weeks, some stores issues where items don't ring up properly. So just remember, pay attention at the register. Another thing, if you're going to be using a booster, and you want to use this Kenvu coupon, let's remember it's a store coupon. So if you would use that with the spend 45 to earn back 10, in theory, you're only spending $35 because that store coupon is treated like Walgreens cash. So one of 7 million rules. But just remember, if you're like, oh, I'm going to use this and it's going to be magic, just remember that. Quick little lesson this morning. And before we dive into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It really helps me out and the channel if you can like the video. And if you have the hype button, consider pressing that as well. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is we are getting very close to Memorial Day weekend. So soda, ice cream, treats like chips and peanuts and some of these energy drinks. There's going to be a ton of deals in the next 2 weeks with that. And then at certain stores, also like barbecue sauce, condiments, that sort of stuff as well. So just keep that under your hat, especially if you're a newer couponer. It's kind of the time to stock up on this stuff. Okay, so the first super-duper deal that we have is the buy one, get one 50% off on OGX hair care, $4 reward when you buy 2 with a 6 off 2 digital coupon. Now, this peptide line at various stores across the U.S. I've seen on clearance. $2.99 for some of these treatments, and then the shampoo and conditioner, $2.49. And this is my new iPhone, the wonderful photos it takes. I kid you not. A lot of these containers also have a $3 coupon, which is fantastic, but this is the one in the app, the 6 off of 2. Now, if you could track down the shampoos at $2.49, I did the math for you guys. Grabbing 3 of them, it would be $7.47. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $1.47, getting back a $4 register reward. And then if you can only find 2 of them for $3.73 on a buy one get one 50% off, use one Peely, you'd pay 73 cents and get back a $4 register reward. Now, I was doing deals with OGX the week previous where I got a whole bunch for next to nothing. And basically, guys, it was printing register rewards and the digital coupons, and that Peely were also working. So I know definitively this deal will work. Cannot track it down. 2 of the OGX shampoos for $14.98. Subtracting the digital coupon, you'll pay $8.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per unit, which is a really great price point because an OGX at the pharmacy is usually like $10. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you can't find any of that clearance OGX, this is just the alternative deal that you can do. And even for $2.49, I think a lot of us would be interested in this because OGX is a really great brand of shampoo. We also have a 10 back when you spend $25 or more on the Walgreens products, everything from hand soap to their razors. They're really trying to build it. And I know there's a lot of skincare dupes that are like Sephora. So, we might be able to come up with something on Monday with that. And the paper products at $5.49, $6 reward when you buy 4. They've kind of gone up on this. And typically we have $1 for like the essentials, the Charmin, the 2 Charmins, the puffs. So if we have $1 off on each, grabbing 4 of them for $21.96, subtracting $4 of digitals, and that's an assumption. Hopefully we have that, but we usually do. $17.96 you'll pay, getting back a $6 register reward. It makes it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you're doing a $60 basket, this would be it would be a third of it. So I'm loving this deal. Another great deal that we have this week is with the $4.99 Tide Pods, the Gain, the Downy Rinse and Refresh with dollar digital coupons, and a $5 reward when you buy 4. You have to do a mix and match where each item has a dollar coupon, maybe even more. But subtracting $4 for the digitals, you'll pay $15.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per unit. This is a very good price point, especially for Tide. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you wanted to stack, say, that paper deal and this, you would have roughly $40 of a $60 basket, which is super smart. Also with the Scott, see that 2 off of 2? If it is in fact attaching that digital coupon with the cheaper Scott, not the Scott's 1000, but these cheapies, and it usually does, we're going to get this paper very, very cheap. I think we're in a time right now where if you can stock up on this stuff, simply do it. Because we don't know by the end of the summer if they're going to raise the prices on this, and that's the truth. Grabbing 2 of these $5 papers at $7.50 on a buy one get one 50% off. If that digital is in fact attaching, you're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per unit, which is a stock up price. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Let's talk about some very cheap dental care, and the first goes to the Colgate or Hello at $5. We're going to go for the more expensive stuff. We have a 5 off of 2 coupon and a $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of the fancies for $10, subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This deal is also, I think, the same. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon plus $1 off of a paste or a brush by Crest or Oral-B. Grabbing 3 of these, it's $10.50 for the 3. They're $3.50 per unit. Subtracting a 3 off of 2 and $1 coupon, that's $4 melting off. So you're going to pay $6.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1.50 for the 3 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. A lot of you prefer the larger gains. A lot of couponers do. You don't like the itty bitties. $9.99, and they're probably going to have a $2 for the pods and the liquid detergent, or the dryer sheets perhaps. Grabbing 2 for $19.98, subtracting 2 $2 coupons, you're going to pay $15.98, get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.98 for the 2 or $5.49 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now this deal, we're going to have to see how it shakes out, but we usually get $3 coupons with these disposables. Alternatively, if you have the Only For You 5 off of 2, you could use that one because I don't think it expires. So 2 of these on a BOGO 50% off, that would be $15.88. You have to get one that's a little bit more expensive, and then a cheapy one because it's buy one, get one 50% off. Subtracting 6, if there's 3 off of each, you're going to pay $9.88. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $4.88 for the 2 or $2.44 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The Dove shampoo is $5 with a 4 off 2 digital coupon and a $3 reward when you purchase 2. So grabbing 2 of the cheapy $5 Dove shampoos, that's 10. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 3 for 2 or $1.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Pay attention, class. That's 50 cents more than we usually get it for $1. I just noticed that, and hopefully you did too. These 2 deals are from the week previous. If you didn't do them and still have the digital coupons, here they are. For this one, you're grabbing 2 of the $6 Tresemes with a 4 off 2 digital coupon, $4 reward when you purchase 2. 2 of them for $12, subtracting your coupon, you're paying $8, getting back a $4 register reward, making it 4 for 2 or $2 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, and now we have this little friendly deal from last week. The $5.99 Soft Soaper Irish Spring, a $3 reward when you purchase 3 with a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of these, and those big Mama hand soaps are part of it. That's a smart buy. 3 of these for $17.97. Subtracting our coupon, you're paying $12.97, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $9.97 for the 3 or $3.32 per big container of hand soap. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Let's quickly go through some honorable mentions. The first one, not so honorable, but are they increasing the bar soap to $9? That's my question, because it's usually $7 or $8. So we'll have to wait and see on Sunday, but I just wanted to throw this little bug into your ear or your back pocket because something seems weird unless it's the ribbons that's $9. We have the 4 for $10, which is a super deal, $2.50 per unit. If there's some digital coupons to mix and match with this, we will be cooking with gas. As I said at the beginning of the video, tons and tons of soda chip deals with Memorial Day. We have a buy 2 get 2 for free on Coke. The Pepsi is buy 2 get 3 for free. I think everybody's buying Pepsi next week. Celsius for $2 a can, and a buy 1 get 1 for $1 on the Doritos. And the Cheez-Its also a buy 1 get 1 free. And our plastic wrap is back with a buy 1 get 1 free for either the aluminum or the plastic or the parchment if you are a baker. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.